So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, the design, it looks very nice. I'm sure it's entering your eye. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this nice 3D logo. So you can see it looks very professional. So stay tuned guys, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider doing that because it will really benefit you. Alright, without wasting much time, let's begin. So I'll keep the original design aside. So the first thing that you will do is to go to your ellipse tool and hold your control to make it a perfect circle. Say this size is okay. Alright, this good. So let's give it any color. Let's just give it a black color, and let's remove the outline. So to remove your outline, you right click on this particular box. Alright, so once you have done that, hold your shift key and drag, then right click to paste. Alright, so there are two circles, so we'll give this another color to differentiate, but we don't need to because they'll still have the same color. So on like this, without touching anything, just simply hold your shift key and select the bigger circle, then go to your pick tool and click on trim. So this smaller circle is gone, I'm no more using it again. So right, go to your rectangle tool, just draw a rectangle, a small one, and go to your shape tool. So let's zoom it to have a clearer view of it. Right click, select convert to curves. That's what I did. Then on this part, right click again to curve, do the same for this part. You just drag it down, just drag down. And like I always say, do not think that a design is hard. Just try to do it and you see that it's actually easy. This looks complex, but it's very simple to do. So alright, once you're done with this, let's just give it a different color to demarcate it. Remove the outline as usual. So keep it on this side. Then select the big circle, go to trim, then we're done with this. You can delete this. So I go back to your rectangle tool again, so but this time we just draw a rectangle, a straight one. Let's give it another color to demarcate it. Remove the outline. Now we have to increase the size of this, it's really small, so just increase the size. Let's check it out. Well, the side, need to ensure that it's bigger than the width of the circle, or rather it's longer. Alright, hold your shift key again, select the circle, click on trim. So I'm basically just doing the same process, but this process may end. So once you are done with this, you still go back to your rectangle tool again. You can see it, this design is mostly about rectangle, but no worries, you'll soon go into the advanced parts. So go back to your rectangle tool. So from here, you just draw a rectangle. Let's ensure that the rectangle passes the circle, that is, this side touches the edge of the circle and this side touches the edge of the circle. It is nice, looks nice and perfect. So let's go to your ellipse tool, hold your control and just draw a big circle. Let's shift it up. Let's increase the size of it. Okay, and this looks perfect too. So we still increase it, stay neat. Let's increase it a little. it just a little. Alright, so this is perfect. So hold your shift key again and select this long rectangle, then you use weld. Now it looks like a letter P. So you can see we just made a letter P from this. So you select the letter P, select the circle, hold the shift key rather, and select the circle, and you say click on weld. So that's to combine both letter P and the circle. So you can remove the color. Let's give it an outline. This is what to work with. So then go to your ellipse tool again with your control to draw a perfect circle. Then go to your polygon tool. You come over here, ensure that the number of sides is in 3. That's for triangle. Let's zoom it to have a clearer view. So hold your control while you draw the triangle. So we have to ensure that it touches the edge of it. Increase to the side. Alright, it's nice. So I'll remove the outline, but first of all let's just give it another color to demarcate it. Let's give it a yellow color. Let's remove the outline. To check it out, you have to be sure that it touches the edge of it, so as not to make any mistake. Zoom it to have a clearer view. This needs to be perfect. Yeah, be the same for this side. So alright, go to your shape tool again. So on this side you double click, on this side you double click. You have to give it node on each side. So once you have double clicked on those two sides, you just simply drag. It's perfect. You select and adjust the size of it, so just bend it a little. Okay, it's looking nice. So on this circle, this small circle, just give it a black color. Remove the outline. Notice in these videos we won't work with outline. And this, give it a red color. So you you left click on this red color and hold until this pops out. And let's give it this darker red. Just ensure that there is no outline to it. And we'll group this. So Ctrl G, the Ctrl plus the G key. So we'll just keep this aside as it's grouped. So go to your 2-point line tool. Just simply draw from here and back again. Very easy, right? Yeah, very easy. Okay, once you have done this, go to your shape tool. Right click on this, select to curve. Right click on this, select to curve. So we'll just take this down and down and down and down till get our favorite side. So we have to take it this side, just ensure that it touches here, then we'll bring it up again. This perfect, very perfect. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, click the subscribe button and share to those you think that you really need this video. Alright, so continue. You select your pick tool again. Nice, back to your pick tool. So there is something amazing I would like to show you. So what we do here, you just click on any color. That is, you left click on any color. You can see it now, no color appeared on this shape, but it won't matter. It is useful that you do it. Click on a color. So once you have clicked on that color, go to your smart fill tool. This is it right here. If you can't see it, you can just simply click on this drop down button and you see it. Smart fill tool, select this. So the reason why I clicked on the color before using my smart fill tool was to ensure that this smart fill will cover both the new shape and this lower triangle. You understand, right? So we'll continue. So this smart fill will just give it a blue color. Let's give it this blue. This blue is perfect. Remove the outline, so you right click to remove outline. Select this main shape, remove the outline, and we'll give it a red color. So let's give it this red color. So you can see it is now looking more like the main design. Very easy and simple to do. So okay, we'll bring this shape right here. Let's take it to this side, center of the P. So as I've done this, we'll now select the whole shape. Very easy, right? Yeah, very easy. So go to your bitmaps, click on convert to curves, convert to bitmaps rather. I'm now used to saying convert to curves, very crazy. Okay, so go to your effects, straight to your texture and your plastic. So let's just adjust it. Something going on. Okay, so you can see it. What you just need to do is to adjust it to the favorite side till it gives you the perfect shape you want. Just adjust it. So I think like this is okay. So if you look at it, my highlight is at 0 point, my depth is at 43, my smoothness is at 37 points. Select OK. So go to your rectangle tool again. Just draw a rectangle, big one. That'll cover the whole shape. Then straight to your shape tool. But first of all, let's give it a black color. That'll be nice, right? Yeah, very nice. So give it a black color. And if you notice, it is on top of the shape. So you just simply hold your Ctrl and page down, take it to the back of this design. Then go to your shape tool, right click to curve, then you double click on this. Did not work. Alright, you come here again, you double click. Nope, yes, my hand is just shaking a little. Then also come to this side and double click. So you now come to the edges, double click, come to this edge, double click, then you right click here, select to curve. Just need to adjust it to curve. Just need to adjust it. So you can delete these nodes so as to give it a better shape. Then we'll come here again, right click to curve, and adjust it. Yeah, it's looking nice, very nice. So you just adjust it. Alright, and let's shift this design up. It's perfect. So on this main triangular shape, or sorry, rectangular shape, I don't know what to call it. Just give it a deep yellow color as its outline. So you right click on deep yellow color, then you come over here to increase the outline to 10 points. It's too much. To 8 points, a little bit too much. 4 points, and it's perfect. And let's just reduce this. Then now on this shape, go to your bitmaps, convert it to bitmaps, into your effects, your texture again, and plastic. Yeah, now this is perfect. So you can see it looks exactly like the main design. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified when I upload amazing videos like this. And thank you for watching.